Now we are going to discuss measuring acidity or alkalinity. In order to do so, in order to measure the acidity or the alkalinity of a solution, we use something that we call indicators. Indicators are substances which change color when you add them to acids or alkalis. Litmus paper is a well-known indicator which gives a red color in an acid and a blue color in a base or in alkali. But there are many more. You use the pH scale to show how acidic or alkaline a solution is. The scale runs from 0, which means the most acidic, to 14, which is the more alkaline. You can use universal indicator to find the pH of a solution. It is a special indicator made from a number of dyes, as you can observe here. It turns a range of colors as the pH changes. Anything in the middle of the pH scale, which means pH equals 7, it is neutral. It's neither acid nor alkaline, as you can observe here. So the best example of a very neutral solution is pure water. Alternatively, you can use something which is a pH meter. As you can observe here, you can use a pH meter which has a glass probe attached to dip in the solution being tested. Some electronic pH sensors give a digital display of the pH directly, and others can be attached to data loggers and computers to monitor and record pH changes over time. So the following pH meter, it includes the probe, as you can observe here. This probe is dipped inside the solution that is being tested, and actually it's a glass probe. It has sensors which directly log the data into the data logger, which is already connected to the computer, so you get directly the answers on your computer.